Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Hills Homestead, where we are feeding our animals this morning. Look at this. It is breakfast time. They used to run from me. Now when they see me come in, they run to me. Normally they used to just run away. But everybody's running to me now. You know why? Because they realize I mean food. Look, they all coming. Coming to get water. There's the guineas. They coming to get food. There's the chickens. And this is how we do it every morning. See? Everybody's getting water. Oh, look, there go Ralph the rooster. For those who don't know, there go Ralph, our rooster. Now, Ralph is the rooster for the egg layers. There he go, right there. You can kind of, oh, there we go. Kind of see the difference between him and all the others. He is the rooster to the egg layers. And as you see the guineas, they kind of all hang together. They got their own water. And their food is in the corner because they like to huddle up together like it's football season. So you have our guineas. They're getting acclimated to being out here. They're getting water, getting food. Now, bugs are getting in, and that's why you see these chickens over here. They've already started to notice that bugs are delicious, so now they're hunting for them. Yeah, there's a chicken. For some reason, the chickens always love to drink the water and eat the food of the guineas, even though they got twice as much. Now, look at this. Both of those buckets are full to the top, and that's for the chickens. That's what the guineas eat out of. So why does the chickens think that that's for them too? Just greedy. Now, believe it or not, he's a good chicken. Ralph don't go over there. But these meat birds, they just think of food all day. I mean, look how plump they're looking. They're going to be some good frying later. Don't tell them I said that. But yeah, this is our morning routine. They eat about 75% of a full one of those every feeding, believe it or not. And they go through about 6 gallons of water a day. I have to come out here and refill those at least twice a day. And if it's a hot day, they go through about 9 gallons a day. All right, let's shoo the chickens away. Come on. Let the guineas have their water. Come on. Yep, you got to do this sometimes. Because if not, chickens will just try to take over everything. Look, they even trying to follow the guineas. Go back that way. Go over there to yours. And the guineas will stay with theirs. I've noticed that about them. Look, and here come the guineas. Right back to it. They just waited for me to move out the way. Come right back to their water. Now, I am putting about 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar in all of their water. It is supposed to be healthy for them. So that is something that we started to do. And believe it or not, they kind of like it. Okay. And now we're going to get ready to leave these little guys. They're going to just kind of just relax in a little bit, start chilling out. This is breakfast time, so everybody is a little, you know, all over the place. Now, I started some seeds, so let's go take a look at that. All right, so go ahead inside and show the tent and everything we got set up going on in there. But first, I should probably go ahead and fill this bucket up of food so that when I, go back, because they're gonna eat that, and then about, 12 hours or so, it'll be time for it again. All right, so, look who's out. Look at this. Look at this. For some reason, he does not like to be in the fence. Look at him. What's up, buddy? Huh? Oh, you want belly rubs? Look at you. You already about to lay over, ain't you? Yep. I wasn't gonna step on you. That was one time. It was an accident. You was hovering by my feet while I was working. Well, I can tell you this. He ain't dumb. All right, so here we just go ahead and grab some more feed and pour it into this bucket. And then when I go back out there, they will be ready to eat again. All right. Now we're about to head inside and take a look at the plants. Give me 1 second. All right. So I have it set up. Let's see here. So here's the window. This is kind of cool. And you can see I have a fan, a filter right there. We have lights and we have plants. We got some watermelons, some peppers growing, and some special, I can't remember the name of it, but it's right there in the center. And yeah, we're trying a few different things to see what will grow. And I'll let you guys get an update on that as it goes. But it's a nice little tent. It has an automatic timer. And it also has a built-in fan. Now, once this tent goes to the permanent location, I'm probably gonna drill this like somewhere, on the wall or something like that. And see, that's the fan. So, hot air is blown through this. And then it sucks cool air in from the bottom when you need it. And that's how you regulate the temperature. Can you see it from here? Yep. We have a thermostat. Oh, come on, clear up. No? Okay, well, there's a thermostat over there that lets you know the degrees and the temperature and everything. Now, this fan is not needed until you start actually having the plants pop up, but it's good to just have everything set up. And this is the inside gardening setup for right now. Well, I want to thank you guys for joining me today, and have a good one. Yeah, I love this window, by the way. It's a beautiful view out there. Well, yeah, you guys have a good morning, and thanks for joining.